Welcome back to Creating with Beauty Designs. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your AI image, okay? An image that you have created with AI, how to edit it, and how to make it useful, and how to make mock-ups for it, okay? And how to make different forms of content with it, okay? The first one is going to be like we have the image. Are we going to remove the background? I'll show you how to remove the background, like very wisely. And then we're going to make mock-ups for the product to show customers, show people how they can use the product. And then we're going to make a small video of the product, like make the product come alive right here in Canva. And it's going to be amazing. Let's go. Okay, I have this image. I'm going to click on it. Before I continue, my page here is 8.5 by 11. Okay. If you want to see it, you can go to resize and then you can change it. But in the beginning, like with when you design, you choose 8.5 by 11. It depends on how big your page is and how big you want it to be. Okay, so we have this image. It has a background. Okay, this part here is white. I'm going to click on here and show you that it has a background. Look, you see that it has a white background. Okay, but there's a way to remove it. Okay, let's see what we can do. I'll select here and I'll select background remover. You see what happened? Do you see what happened right here? It destroyed our image. So we are not going to do it like that. I'm going to undo it. And then I'll keep my image selected. I'll go to edit. And then I'm going to go here to the tools. I'll go to see all. And I'll go to magic grab. I love magic grab. Sometimes it can grab the wrong things, but most of the time it will grab the right things. Okay, let's see how it will grab here. With a click, you see you can hover over your work and then it will only, in this case, it will only have this lady. But we want all this with it, okay? But we don't want the white background. So the clicking, let's see, the clicking is not really working. You see that it's see it doesn't. What we're gonna do? We're gonna brush over it. Okay, this is our brush. We're going to keep it like this. We're going to let's start here. I'm gonna brush over it, over the image, the parts that I want. I'm gonna brush over it. I want all this. Okay, I want the butterfly here. I want this too. I'm gonna brush over it. You go down, seggy a little bit. Okay, here we're going to go straight, because we want all of that straight. And then I'm going to brush over it. In this case, you can make your brush bigger so that you don't have to waste a lot of time. And then brush over it, okay? Brush over it. So we are showing Canva that we want this part, but we do not want the white part. And then we're going to grab it. Grab it. Let's see how it will come out. Let's see if it will be ideal. Okay. And now we can remove it. Oh, look at it. Look at that. Look how clean this thing is. Okay, we don't need this background. Look how amazing it came out to be. Let me put this white. I'm going to put it white. Let's zoom in. Zoom in. Zoom in. The butterfly are with us. They are still with us. Oh my goodness, I love it. Let's go down. Look at that. All the things. Let's go back to the colored background. I'm going to color my background. You see that? Do you see how clean this thing is? Oh my goodness. Look how clean it is. Look how clean it is. And before I continue, let me tell you, these kind of images, like this model of images like this, I have a GPT that I created that will make you these beautiful images. Yeah, it will put a Bible text here or a genuine encouraging text for women, and it will give you many colors that you can choose from and all that. Okay, this is a GPT if you need it like you want to create these images to sell online, this GPT is for you. I will leave the link below. Okay, let's do this. I'm going to delete the black, and then I'm going to drag it down. I'm going to drag this in the corner since it's like smooth there. And I'm going to make my image bigger. I don't want to lose the jaggy part, this part, the crunch part. I don't want to lose them. So I'm going to leave it just like this, okay? Okay, and the name is You Didn't Come. Okay, I'm going to write the whole name. You didn't come this far. Okay, you didn't come this far. It's a design. Okay, so we have this image with a transparent background, okay? Okay, now we're going to make one more image. I'm going to go back here. I add a page and I'll go back here. Okay, I have the image here. The next thing I'm going to do is enlarge it a little bit. I'm going to make a video on it. Okay, I'll go to edit. I keep it selected, I go to edit, and I'll go here, image to video. I'm gonna select it. I'm gonna leave it on smart. Like the smart setting will see what it will do for me. I'm not gonna hit custom. You can ask it, describe what you want to be happening. But here with smart, it will do for you what it sees fit. Okay, it's like smart. I'm going to select this and it will design a 5-second video. Let's see what it will be. Okay, look at that. She's opening her eyes. She is opening her eyes. And the butterflies and everything is moving. Look at that. She's opening her eyes. And here her eyes are closed. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna add it. When I select it and I add it to here, this will disappear and it will become the video. Let it work its thing. Oh yes. Look at that. Look at that. This five this is only 5 seconds. If you duplicate it, make it 2, it will become a Facebook reel that you can add on Facebook or your social media. And if you monetize, you will get paid for it. Okay? So you can make a lot of these if you are into inspiring women and stuff. Like I told you, the GPT is available. It will create you beautiful women in different colors that you want. Okay. So we have two things. We have the image that can go on a shirt, on substrates, on printing things, on books, on mugs, on anything, on bags. Okay, and then we have the cute image here, the cute video that um, will make people happy. People will see it and they will be happy. It will encourage them to go look for the image. Okay, and you can write in the you can write in the listing, like the posts, where they can find the video, where they can find the image to purchase it. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do, we are going to create product mockups. Okay, right here in Canva, I'm going to duplicate this. I have it here too, and I'll go to elements right here. Okay, and in elements, let me go get out of here. Let's get out. Yeah, in elements, you can scroll down and you will have mockups right here. Oh, come on, mockups. Let's go back. Mockups right here. And then there are different mockups here. You see these video mockups. Oh, that's amazing too. Smartphones, print, that's for books and stuff, apparel, shirts and all. Let's go back. You will see all these here. It depends on how you want to showcase the image on which substrate, which product. You can choose whatever you want. Home and living. Let's go here. For instance, this right here. I'm going to put the pillow. Okay, you see how small the pillow is? Don't worry about it. Just click on your image. Let's go back here. I think there's a small tutorial. Oh, the tutorial is gone. The image is beneath under it. I will go to position and I will go to bring the image to the front. Okay, so the image is up front. I'm going to hover with it like this. You see where my arrow is? My arrow is on the product. You see that? As long you see that my arrow is on the product, and then you see it's working and it's analyzing and copying it, taking it in. I'm going to enlarge it a little bit. Come on, enlarge it, enlarge it, because I wanted to fill the page and see the image is on the pillow. Okay, if you think, oh, I don't want the head's wrap to cut out, you can double click on it. Okay, and then this will open, and then you can um, manage your image from here. You see here, and I move it to the side. The whole thing is there. Okay, I have it like this, and I apply my changes, and then it will. You see that it changes. The whole head wrap is to be seen now. So you see, you can have this to showcase your design. You can enlarge it to fill the image. You see that? So beautiful. Okay, let's go for one more product. I'll go back here and I'll duplicate this to get the product again. You can check whatever product you want. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We have bags. Maybe a tote bag would be good. A tote bag or a mug. I saw something like video. Let's see this. Let's see this one right here. Okay, nothing is moving. I thought I wanted this video. Okay, the video is already here. I have a ton of it. Let me delete them really quick. Let's go back. Okay, we will do the same. Select this, go to position, bring it up front. And then we will hover with it over the mug and we'll release it, and it's working right in there. And then we will enlarge our video or image here. Let's see what it will be. Can enlarge it. Look at that. Okay, it's working. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, this person is holding the mug and the mug has our image. Let's choose another image. Let's choose a mug, just a mug. Okay. Okay, then we go here and go to position and bring it to the front. Bring our image to the front, and I'm gonna hover over it and leave it, and it's working. Okay, there we have it. Okay, let's enlarge this thing. Enlarge it so that you can see how your image is on the product. Enlarge it really well. You see it there? I think I don't want my thing to cut off, so I'm gonna double click on it and it will open on this side. It should open. Let me do this really quick. I'm going to refresh it really quick. Okay, here we are. I'm gonna select it again. Double click. Okay, it opened. So we're going to bring our image a little bit down. You see that, so that the whole head wrap is seen. Okay, when we're done with that, okay, we scroll down and we apply the changes. Okay, we have our work. Let's go back here. So now we have two products. You can make more. So this is what you're going to sell. You need to download it with a transparent background. You see page 1, you go here, download. Here you need to have PNG, and here you need to select this transparent background. You can make it bigger, make the size bigger. And when you go in here, you need to choose the current page. Not the current page. The current page is this. You go to page one, then go to page one, go back, download. It needs to be on PNG to drag this. This you need to have it selected, or it won't come with a transparent background. And then you select on here and you go to current page as page one. And then you download that, okay? You download it into your computer. And this is what you're going to sell. This is what you're going to upload in Etsy or wherever you're selling files. And this will be your mockup to show how to use the image, okay? And you can upload this as a social media video, okay? You can upload this one here. Let's see. I'll show you really quick how to do that. This here, you duplicate it. You see you have these two, you have 4 and 5. Okay, you go in here, and then you go to download. And in here you will have, you go to MP4, because this one here, and then you tell them you want 4. You see what I'm doing? You want 4 to 5. You click on done. You're not going to download the separate pictures. You're going to download these two as one. Let's click on this. I think the two shall come in as one piece. We want them as one piece. 10 seconds will do. If you can do this with all your images, you will have reels. You will have reels for your social media. Okay? So in here, I showed you how to bring your image in here in Canva and remove the background and make it useful. You download it with a transparent background. I showed you how to make mockups. It depends on your image and what mockups you want to make. You can find them in Elements. And I also show you how to make a cute video of it. You go and edit, and then you go to images to video, and then you convert it to video. It's amazing. Okay, let's check really quick how the image came out. I'll go in here, and then I'll find them, documents, downloads. Okay, let's see our, it came here. This is the picture, and this is the, and look, it's 10. Look at the 10. Look at the 10. 10 is good, suitable for Facebook. Let's click on it and see. It doesn't have music though, but this will work. Look at that. Look at that. If you have this and you're posting it online, Facebook will pay you. Okay? They will certainly pay you. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you learned something out of this. If you have, if you're interested in the GPT, the AI GPT that makes these images, I will leave the link below for you. And also join my school community. I will leave the link below, where you can learn more about these things that I do and how to use them. Okay, how to make money with them. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and to leave me a comment. Tell me if you're going to do this. Okay, this is useful. Thank you. Bye.